Hey YouTube, doing a engine wash today here in Arizona. It's crazy how fast engines get dirty. That's literally after 2 weeks of washing it. It's already that dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and cover up some of this electronic stuff that's for my lights so we can power wash this. Alright, so now we're done. Got it all nice and shined up. Wasn't too bad this time. Wasn't that dirty really. I wish I would have done a video before because it was super dirty then. But give it a couple months in Arizona, it'll be back where it was at before. So here's a video after it was clean. It's still drying right now. That's just an after video. How sharp it looks. If you guys are thinking about getting your engine clean, come down to Ross. We'll hook you up.